CES 2022 is finally over after the COVID-19 pandemic forced the Consumer Technology Association to end the show a day early. But that's not the only change we have with this year's CES 2022. Even so, many news outlets and publications decided not to attend CES in person, and most of the coverage that you get from CES is often done remotely, which is why videos like this will definitely help you stay updated with what's going on at CES 2022. So what exactly are the best devices of the entire CES 2022? Well, that's exactly what we find out in this video, so you need to stick till the end to know what we got for you from CES 2022. But before we begin, you're watching Robot Future. We already did a few videos on CES 2022, so make sure you check them out as well. So if you're into robotics and artificial intelligence, now's the time to be a part of this community by subscribing to our channel for more content just like this one, and turn on post notifications so that you never miss out on any of our future uploads. Okay, with all that done, let's get started. Number 4. Projectors and displays. We witnessed cool projectors making a return to CES 2022. You need to look at the new Nebula Cosmos Laser 4K, as this one is a highly compact laser phosphor light source with about 2400 ANSI lumens of brightness, dual 10-watt speakers, and Android TV, and this will come at a cost of $2,199. Samsung is another brand that surprised us with their Samsung Freestyle projector. The Freestyle weighs just less than 2 pounds, and it comes with a 180-degree cradle stand and can project content anywhere that can go from 30 to 100 inches when it comes to display. The projector is rated at 550 lumens of brightness. It does come with just a 1080p resolution, but it makes a lot of sense for something as compact as this one. It also comes with autofocus and auto-leveling capabilities so that it can automatically align images to any surface. This way you can have Netflix just about anywhere. This device can also play music and includes 360 surround sound. You could also get various accessories with the Freestyle, which will make it a much better device to use, especially that USB-C portable battery. Number 3. Best robots. If you're into robots, CES is definitely a place for you because CES does have a lot of crazy robot concepts, all the way from dogs to bipedal humanoids to weird little balls with cameras attached to it. Out of all the robots that we had at CES, the best one by far that is simple and practical and might end up being something real than most concepts at CES definitely has to be the Labrador Retriever. We already covered this one in a previous video, but if you didn't watch it now's the right time to watch because we have other gadgets on that list as well. But for this video, the Labrador Retriever is basically a shelf on wheels that is able to navigate around your house. It moves slowly because it does not have high-end LiDAR technology. This robot is all about helping people with limited mobility to move stuff around the house. So Labrador is all about solving a real-world problem with the technology that we have today. Next, we have smart doors. Yes, you heard it right, not smart locks. Not smart doorbells, smart doors. We have a product called Masonite Empower Smart Door, and this one integrates a Yale Smart Look, a Ring video doorbell, and a variety of sensors with this fiberglass door. Empower Smart Doors are only available for contractors building new homes, so this isn't something that you can buy today, but this is a very important step towards integrating smart home technology into our houses. Next, we have the Icon AI Sound Mirror so that you no longer have to sing into the showers because this acoustic mirror comes with an Alexa-based smart speaker. This definitely comes with IPX6 water resistance. You can connect this mirror to Wi-Fi so you can ask it to play music, listen to the news, and just do all the things that Alexa generally does. You can also connect this mirror to your phone directly with Bluetooth so you can also play audio from your smartphone. Number 2. Smart Home Tech. Let's start with something as basic as air mattresses. Well, it looks like your mattress will also be able to help you breathe a little easier. At least, that's exactly what Coway's Smart Air Care mattress is all about because it comes with a built-in air purifier, humidifier, aroma dispenser, and self-dimming lights. To set the mood for a good night's rest, the bed emits relaxing scents as the lights slowly dim to ease you into your sleep. And when you're sleeping, the mattress distributes clean air from all 4 sides, so you don't have to wake up with a stuffy nose. The mattress can also detect your body pressure and position to adjust the firmness level automatically, so this will keep you taking your sleep to the next level with a price tag of $5,000. Next, we have the Echelon EX8S Connect, and this might sound really complicated to you, but this is just a stationary bike. But there's a catch. You get a screen and some accent lights which separate it from the competition. This screen is a 24-inch 5K touchscreen which also features front and rear speakers for a surround sound experience. The dual flywheel light rings can sync with the music or change colors depending upon your heart rate, and the bike will cost you about $2,400. Next, we have the LG Effects washer and dryer. Suppose you're somebody who's very conscious about wasting a lot of water or using a lot of laundry detergent when you wash your clothes. In that case, well, LG is about to fix that with the new FX washer and dryer, because this will do all the necessary calculations with the help of LG's artificial intelligence direct drive technology to figure out load size, fabric type, and soil level. It also automatically adds the appropriate amount of detergent and adjusts the wash cycle. Well, we already have such a feature with a few washers, but LG is definitely taking it to the next step with the LG Smart Pairing feature, where the washer then sends information to the dryer and recommends an appropriate drying cycle as well. The dryer also uses artificial intelligence to learn your preferences and will offer custom drying options, and it also features an infrared sensor to ensure even drying. Number 1. A lot of electric vehicles. Gone are the days when CES used to be just about consumer gadgets. Right now, it looks like CES happens to be one of the best auto shows out there because of all the electric vehicle concepts, which clearly shows that the future of the automotive industry is definitely going to be all electric vehicles, or at least hybrid vehicles for the time being. We need to thank Elon Musk and Tesla for accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy with electric vehicles, because right now, many other companies are popping up with their own offerings in the electric vehicle space, which is really good as competition will drive innovation and will keep the cost competitive. But right now, most of them are in their prototype phase. First, let's talk about BMW, as the company showcased their BMW iX M60, which happens to be the first ever all-electric M-badged performance vehicle from BMW. With this vehicle, we're looking at 610 horsepower and up to 811 pound-feet of torque, and BMW claims the iX M60 will be able to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just less than 3.6 seconds. The M60 is definitely going to be more expensive than the Teslas out there. Next, we have the Chevrolet Equinox EV. The gasoline version of the Chevrolet Equinox was the third best-selling SUV in America in 2020. And it looks like Chevrolet is stepping up their game with the Equinox EV, and the design is quite futuristic and we really love it. Next, we have another offering from Chevrolet, which happens to be the Chevrolet Silverado EV. The Silverado EV will also be on sale starting next year, and it'll debut as a work truck with high-end street truck trim to follow. Next, we have Mercedes with their EQXX. At first, it looks just like a performance machine for Mercedes. Yes, it does have a drag coefficient of just 0.17, but the aerodynamics is aimed at maximizing the range of the vehicle rather than blasting around the racetracks. Mostly thanks to the cars being lightweight and hyper-efficient, this EV is capable of delivering about 621 miles of range from a sub-100 kilowatt battery, which is incredible, especially for those people who are looking for a practical option when it comes to electric vehicles. The EQXX's battery pack itself is half the size of one that is found with the Mercedes EQS, about 30% lighter, and boasts about 20% boost in cell energy density. But the biggest surprise was Sony, because Sony is known for making PlayStations and a lot of movies and so many other electronic gadgets, and definitely not a car. And that's a wrap for today's video. What are your top CES gadgets? Do let us know by leaving a comment down below, because we'd love to hear from you all. Also, consider subscribing to our channel for more robotics and artificial related content just like this one, and turn on post notifications so that you get notified whenever we upload a brand new video. Okay, that's about it for today. We hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, and we'll meet again in the very next video, so stay tuned for more.